So this project started actually as a collaboration between myself and Morris Agabi, who's a professor in life sciences at the Nelson Mandela African Institute for Science and Technology. I had invited Morris as well as the key leadership team at the Nelson Mandela to Penn State. We hosted them. Morris and I got together and talked about our various collaborations and things that we wanted to do. And we thought it would be marvelous to sequence one of the iconic African animals. And we thought it would be a great thing in terms of building this new university in Tanzania. Turns out that the lion had been sequenced. The elephant had been sequenced. And so we thought, both of us came to the conclusion, the giraffe hasn't been sequenced. As soon as I realized the giraffe hadn't been sequenced, I also realized that would be far more interesting because of giraffe's unique attributes, because we might actually learn something from the sequence. What's behind that unusual aspect of giraffe, which is its very long legs and iconic long neck. What's behind that? No other organism has to pump blood 2 meters to its brain. So in order to do that, giraffe had to modify its cardiovascular system pretty substantially. So it has to have a very high blood pressure and a turbocharged heart to get the blood up to the brain. So we identified essentially 70 genes that show what we call multiple signs of adaptation in giraffe as compared to okapi and other mammals. So what we think has occurred then is giraffe evolved a long neck, which occurred roughly over a 15 to 20 million year period. That as its neck extended out, its cardiovascular system was also changing in tandem. And that some of the same genes were actually controlling both processes in concert.